Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Fanttik had contacted me on BSK Garage and asked me if I would have a look at their NEX L1 Pro screwdriver. And I was a little skeptical at first, but then I decided I'm a gadget person. And it's digital and it looked kind of cool, so I'm like, you know what the heck? I will give it a try and see what it is. This is 100% crowdfunded off Indiegogo, and it has been very popular because it's already gone over the crowdfunding money that they wanted to get. So this tool has 6 different torque settings, forward and reverse. The up button is for your 1 to 6 for torque, and the bottom button is of course for forward and reverse. It has a locking chuck, which is nice, so you don't have to worry about dropping bits into the abyss of nowhere. Charging it's pretty simple. It comes with a USB cable, so just plug it into your favorite USB charger. It also has a battery meter at the bottom that tells you how many bars of length or strength it has. And of course you can't miss out on the light for those dark spots. Now, for such a small tool, this is what really impressed me about it. At the end of the day, this tool is pretty cool. It packs a lot of power for such a small little device. And I can guarantee you, in the videos to come in the future, anytime I have to undo some screws, something easy, you can absolutely guarantee that I will be using this tool to take care of that job. So if you have any questions or comments, post them below. And I'll see you in the next video. And there'll be a link in the description if you want to join the crowdfunding as well. Take care.